this is the final assembly of knuckle joint. Click on file and select new and click on part and click OK and convert the units into CG system. After that, select plane and keep this plane in normal position, and here select sketch and select rectangle and select corner rectangle and draw a rectangle from the center of the origin. Now defining its length and width. So its width is 120 centimeter and length of this rectangle is 250 centimeter. Now click on feature and select extrude boss and extrude it boss up to 100 centimeter and click OK. Now select front plane again and click on sketch and here select center line and draw a center line from the center of this rectangle. Now here we are going to draw two circles. So draw a circle and make it tangent with the edges of this rectangle. And again draw a circle. The center of these two circles are different. So defining the distance between the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. Now defining this height from the top edge. That is 150 centimeter. Now again click on rectangle command and here select corner rectangle and draw a rectangle. Now select these three lines by pressing Ctrl button and adding relation between them. Make them concentric. And here click on smart dimension and define the width of this rectangle is 60 centimeter and make this circle diameter 120 centimeter. Now click on trim entity and select power trim and trim the sketch. Now select fillet command and select sketch fillet and entering the radius value is 50 centimeter and click on the point and draw a fillet here having radius 50 centimeter. Now again select line command and draw a line from the center point of the circle up to the next edge. And again select trim entities and select power trim and trim the half of the sketch here. Now click on this face and click on convert entities. So here you can see that outer line are drawn with the help of convert entities. Now click on feature and select extrude cut and here select contour and make it through all the body. Click on extrude cut and select contour and extruded cut through all. Click OK. Okay, now we are again going to apply extrude cut on this face. So here click on this face and make this face in normal position, and here click on sketch and draw a circle, adding the relation between the circle and the edges of this body. So pressing Ctrl button, select the circle and select the edge and make them tangent. Now from the center of the circle, draw a circle again here having diameter 50 cm. Click on Smart Dimension and make it 50 cm. Now select center line and draw a center line to the end point, and again select corner rectangle and draw a rectangle here. Now press Ctrl button and select these three lines and adding relation between them, make them symmetric. Now defining width of this rectangle is 60 cm. Now select power trim and fill this sketch. After that, click on sketch fillet and here apply sketch fillet having radius 50 cm. Just click on the point and apply the radius here. Now select line command and draw an outer line to close this sketch. Again click on line command. Exit from the line command and click on feature and here select extrude cut. So here select contour and extruded cut through all the body. Again click on extrude cut and here we need to select the center hole also. Make it extrude cut through all. Okay, now click on this face and make this face in normal position. Now here we are going to again draw a circle at the center of this face. Click on circle command and find the midpoint and here draw a circle at the center, or defining the diameter of the circle as 50 cm. Now click on line command and here at the corner sketch and defining its length is 17.40 and click OK and make this also 17.40. Now click on pattern and here select circle pattern. First of all select entities to pattern. So select these three lines. Now select the point. So select the center point of the circle and number of pattern is 4 and click OK. Now click on feature and here select extrude cut and here click on select contour and select this outer angle and make it extrude cut up to 60 centimeter. Click OK. Now from here click on this and here show the sketch. We are going to use this sketch again. So select extrude boss and here select the circle only and make it extrude up to 150.70 centimeter. Click OK. Now we are going to apply fillet. For that, hide the sketch. Now select fillet command and from here we are going to apply face fillet having radius 12 centimeter. So enter 12. Now select first face and second face. Click on this and select second face and click OK. So apply 4 fillet at the 4 edges. First of all select first face and here click on this and select second face. Repeating the fillet command again. Select first face and second face. So the fork end of the knuckle point is ready. Now finally we are going to apply appearances on this. So from here click on appearances and select any metal. And apply appearances on the whole body. And now click on file and save it. I'm going to save it on desktop. Part name is fork end and enter. Now close this file. Now we are going to create second one part. So here again select new part and click OK and convert the units to CG system. Now click on front plane and here click on sketch. And first of all draw a circle at the center of the region. Now defining the diameter of the circle. Inside dia is 50 centimeter. Now defining the outer one, which is 100 centimeter. Click on rectangle and here select corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle and click on line command and here select center line and draw a line from the origin. Now click on first line, second line and third line by pressing Ctrl button and adding relation symmetric between them. Now defining the width of this rectangle is 60 centimeter. Defining its length as 140 centimeter. After that click on trim entities and here select power trim and trim the sketch. Now we are going to apply sketch fillet on this. So here select sketch fillet and apply fillet having radius value 50 centimeter. So just click on the point and apply the radius. and click OK. Now we are going to extrude it boss. So here select feature and select extrude boss, and extrude it boss up to 60 centimeter. So here enter 60, click OK. Now select this face and here click on sketch, and first of all draw a circle having diameter 50 centimeter. Adding the relation between the center point of the circle and the origin, make it horizontal. Now click on smart dimension and define its length from this edge as 30 centimeter. Okay, now here with the help of line command we are going to draw a sketch on the edges. Click on smart dimension and defining its length and width. This is 18.06 centimeter. Define the second one, 18.06 centimeter. Now make it circle pattern. So here select pattern and select circle pattern. So first of all click on entities to pattern and select these 3 lines, and here we need to select point around which we want to pattern. So select center of the circle and number of entities 4 at equal spacing. Click OK. Now here click on feature and select extrude cut, and here select selected contours. So select outer these 4 contour and make it extrude cut up to 60 centimeter. Click OK. Now here click on this sketch and make it visible. Now again select extrude boss and select this circle only. And here extrude this circle up to 120.50 centimeter. And click OK. Now hide the sketch. Now we are going to apply fillet on the edges. So here select fillet command and select face fillet. Enter the radius value is 12 centimeter. And here select first face and click on this and select second face. Applying fillet on the all 4 edges having radius value 12 centimeter. Click OK. So this is the eye end of the knuckle joint. Click on appearances and apply appearances on the body, and after that click on file and save it on desktop. Defining the name of that part is eye end. You can enter the eye. Now cut this part and we are going to create the third one part. Here select units and make it CG system, and here click on front plane. First of all, draw a center line from the origin, and you are defining the total length of this line is 157 centimeter. Now click on line command and draw a rough sketch here first of all. Now defining its dimension. So from the basement, its width is 25. The upper end, its height is 12 centimeter. Defining the width of the top edge is 35 centimeter. Now click on feature and make it revolve at 360 degree, the reference of this center line. Now click on front plane, make it normal and click on sketch, and here we are going to draw a circle, adding the relation between the circle and the origin, make them vertical. Now click on smart dimension and here defining the diameter as 6 centimeter. Now click on center point and the edge of this part, and here defining its length from the top edge is 130 centimeter. Now click on feature and here select extrude cut and extrude it cut through all in both direction. Now we are going to apply appearances on this. So here select appearances. You can select any metal. And apply appearances on the whole body. This is the quarter pin and save it on desktop. Close this and here again select file and select part. And here convert the units. First of all, make it CGS. And here select front plane and click on sketch and draw two circles from the origin. Now defining the dimensions. The outer diameter is 70 centimeter. And the inner diameter is 50 centimeter. Click on feature and extrude it both to 20 centimeter. Now here select top plane and click on sketch and here select circle and draw a circle with the vertical position from the origin, and defining the diameter of the circle is 6 centimeter. Click on the center point and the edge and defining its width from the edge is 10 centimeter at the center of the collar. Now select feature and extrude cut and extrude it cut through all. And here select direction 2 and make it through all. Okay. Now we are going to apply appearances on this. You can select here any metal and apply appearances on the whole body. So this is the collar. Make it save on desktop and here defining the part name, collar. Now we are going to make the final part of the knuckle joint is pin. Again click on file and part, and here select front plane, and first of all make the unit in CG system. Now click on circle command and draw a circle from the origin having diameter 60 cm. Now here click on feature and extrude it both up to 720 cm. Click OK, and here after that I'm going to apply appearances on this. To save that part on desktop, again limit pin and click OK. So the all parts are now ready. After that we are going to make it assemble. So here click on file and new, and here select assembly. So first of all here we are going to insert the components. So here click on insert components and make them browse and selecting the location, and by pressing Ctrl button select all these components of the knuckle joint and click on open and paste it on your screen. Something wrong on the pin, so we are going to make it check. Before that we are going to assemble the other part. Here apply mate. First of all select the circle here and this circle and make them concentric. Click OK. Now here select advanced mate and click on width mate, and first of all select the inner faces of the pocket. Now select the outer faces of the eye. Now click OK. Fix one of the body here. And one is remain moving. So width mate is applied between these two, and here we are going to insert the pin. Click on the face and here click on mate and select the inner circle and make it concentric. Now here select the face of the collar and make it coincident on this face. Now select the collar inner circle and the outer circle of the pin and make them concentric, but before that make that component float. Just right click on it and make it float, and here again select mate command and make them concentric. Making it cut section. Lift the collar out. After applying concentric mate, Again click on mate and select this circle and this circle and make them concentric and click OK. Now we are going to insert the pin, so here again select insert component and here we are going to find out the lock pin. Insert the lock pin in the assembly and here we are going to apply mate, so click on mate and here select the face and make it concentric. After applying concentric mate, again click on mate select the top face and this face of the collar and here we are going to apply distance mate, wing value 10 centimeter and click OK. At the end we are going to apply angle mate between these two ends of the knuckle joint. Here again click on mate and select first face and second circular face and here we are going to define angle between these two. So here we are going to apply angle mate and trim the degree. Click on advanced mate and here we are going to enter is 170 degree and here enter 90 degree and now click OK. So the angle mate is applied between these two ends. So the fork end can move only up to 90 degree and here it's up to move 170 degree. So here is little confusion between this pin, the lock pin. So we are again going to show it. First of all we need to save this assembly. So make it save on the desktop. Here we are going to enter its name is knuckle joint. And save it on desktop. So here is the lock pin. I'm going to show you its sketch. The radius value is 60 here and make it extrude boss to 720 mm and click OK. So this is the knuckle joint in SolidWorks, the complete assembly of knuckle joint. You can also apply different appearances on the body. So thanks for watching the video.